Hey guys, it's Connor here. You can probably hear my friend in the background blowing on his tuba. My friend is, as you guys will probably know in the future, his YouTube channel is The Squirrel. He does Minecraft, Dust, and, he'll eventually be doing some Need for Speed and stuff like that. And this will be a vlog channel, so he just got a tuba like yesterday, or got a tuba mouthpiece. He doesn't get his tuba until Jumpstart Day, and we don't know when that is. I forgot, but yeah, we'll be making vlogs, and he'll be doing gameplays, and I'll be in some of his gameplays. See you guys in the next video.